Audio Jungle. Audio
नमस्कार मित्रांनो, आपलं थर्ड चॅप्टर सर्कल सुरू आहे. त्याच्यात आपण टँजंट थेरम, त्याचा कॉन्व्हर्स आणि टँजंट सेगमेंट थेरम हे महत्त्वाचे 3 थेरम आपण बघितले. आता त्याच्यानंतर प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.1ला आपण सुरुवात करतो आहे, तर लक्ष द्या. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, इन द ॲडजॉइनिंग फिगर द रेडियस ऑफ अ सर्कल विथ सेंटर सी इज 6 सेंटीमीटर. लाइन AB is a tangent at point A. Answer the following question. There are 4 questions. First question, what is the measure of angle CAB? Why? Second, what is the distance of point C from line AB? Why? Third, distance between points A and B is given 6 centimeter. Find the distance between point B and C. And fourth, what is the measure of angle ABC and why? Draw segment CA in given figure. Draw segment CA. This is segment CA and this is the radius of the circle. Line AB is a tangent at point A. We know that by tangent theorem, tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. That means angle CAB is right angle, means angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. That means the answer of first question, angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. Reason is which theorem? Tangent theorem. म्हणून आपण reason देऊया tangent theorem. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. This is the answer of first question. Now second, what is the distance of point C from line AB and why? CA is the radius. In figure, radius is given 6 centimeter, means CA is 6 centimeter, and segment CA is perpendicular to tangent AB. Because tangent theorem, segment CA is perpendicular to line AB. Reason, same reason, tangent theorem. Now the distance of point C from line AB is the length of perpendicular from point C to the line AB. C चा लाईन AB पासूनचा डिस्टन्स म्हणजे C वरून लाईन AB वर टाकलेल्या परपेंडिक्युलरची लेंथ. बट CA इज इक्वल टू 6. सेगमेंट CA is equal to 6 centimeter. That means the distance of point C from line AB is 6 centimeter. Therefore, distance of point C from line AB is the length of perpendicular from C to line AB is CA, means 6 centimeter. Means distance of point C from line AB is 6 centimeter. Now third question, the distance between point A and B is also 6 centimeter. What is the distance between point B and C? Draw segment BC. Suppose this is segment BC. We get right angle triangle CAB. In triangle, CAB angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. That means that the triangle CAB is right angle triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse CB square means BC square is equal to CA square plus AB square. Therefore, BC square is equal to CA is the radius which is given 6 square. The distance between A and B is also given 6 centimeter. Therefore, AB also 6 plus 6 square. Therefore, BC square is equal to 36 plus 36. Therefore, BC square is equal to 72. 72 means 36 into 2, taking square root. Therefore, BC is equal to square root of 36 is 6 and square root of 2 is root 2. Means distance between points B and C is 6 root 2 centimeter. This is the answer of third question. Now, say fourth question. What is the measure of angle ABC? Now, in triangle CAB, AC is equal to AB because the length of each segment is 6. Means this is an isosceles triangle. Fourth answer, in triangle CAB, CA is equal to AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, by isosceles triangle theorem, what is isosceles triangle? If two sides of triangle are congruent, then the angle opposite to them are congruent. ट्रायंगलच्या दोन साइड कॉन्ग्रंट असतील तर त्याचे अपोजिट अँगल पण कॉन्ग्रंट असतील. या कॉन्ग्रंट साइड समोरचे अँगल सी आणि अँगल बी मीन्स अँगल ए सी बी आणि अँगल ए बी सी बोथ आर कॉन्ग्रंट. देअरफॉर अँगल ए सी बी is equal to angle ABC. This is suppose equation number 1. But we know that the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree, but angle ACB plus angle ABC plus third angle CAB is equal to 180 degree. Property of sum of measures of angles of triangle. From equation 1, angle ACB replace as angle ABC from 1 plus angle ABC and angle CAB from question first, angle CAB is 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, twice angle ABC is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Therefore, twice angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. therefore angle ABC is equal to 90 degree upon 2. Therefore angle ABC is equal to 45 degree, and this is the answer of fourth question. Now question number second. In adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle. From point R, segment RM and segment RN are tangent segments touching the circle at points M and N. If OR is equal to 10, this OR segment is 10. OR is equal to 10 centimeter and radius of circle is 5 centimeter. Then there are three questions. What is the length of each tangent segment? Second, what is the measure of angle MRO? And third, what is the measure of angle MRN? In figure, draw two radii OM and ON. फिगर मध्ये आपण OM ON या दोघं रेडियस काढून घेऊ. And we know that two tangent segments from external point to the circle are congruent, means segment RM and segment RN both are congruent. The OM and ON are the radius, and radius is given 5. That means OM and ON both are 5 each, 5 centimeter each. Now find out the length of segment MR or RM by Pythagoras theorem. This tangent is perpendicular to the radius. This angle also 90 degree. Now for first question, in triangle OMR, angle OMR is equal to 90 degree because tangent is perpendicular to the radius, means reason is tangent theorem. Tangent theorem says tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. That means triangle OMR is a right angle triangle. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, OM square plus MR square is equal to hypotenuse OR square. OM is the radius, means 5 square plus MR square is equal to OR is given 10 square, means 25 plus MR square is equal to 100. Therefore MR is equal to 100. MR square is equal to 100 minus 25. Therefore MR is equal to MR square is equal to 75. Therefore MR is equal to, taking square root on both sides, 75 means 25 into 3. Square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 3 is root 3 centimeter, means MR is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. Similarly ENR also, second tangent segment is 5 root 3 centimeter, means the length of each tangent segment is 5 root 3 centimeter. Therefore answer is length of each tangent segment is 5 root 3 centimeter. Now in this figure, MR and NR both are equal and both are 5 root 3 Here also 5 root 3. Now second question is, what is the measure of angle MRO? Find out this angle. This angle. In triangle MRO, OM is 5, angle OMR is the right angle, and OR is, hypotenuse OR is 10, means OM is half of the hypotenuse. Means for second question, in triangle OMR, angle OMR is right angle, means of measure 90 degree. Then radius OM is 5. OM is 5 centimeter, and radius segment OR is 10 centimeter. That means OM is half of OR. Therefore, OM is equal to 1/2 OR. Therefore, by converse of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle theorem, OM is half of the hypotenuse, means angle opposite to OM is of measure 30 degree. Angle सेगमेंट OMच्या समोरचा जो अँगल आहे हा तो 30 डिग्रीचा येईल. मीन्स अँगल MRO इज इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री. देअरफॉर अँगल MRO is equal to 30 degree. This is the answer of second question. Now third is, what is the measure of angle MRN? हा पूर्ण अँगल विचारला आहे, तर तो कसा काढणार? जसा आपण वरचा अँगल 30चा काढला हा, तसा हा खालचा अँगल सुद्धा कितीचा येईल? 30चा. म्हणजे आपण लिहू शकतो इथं सिमिलरली MRO. Similarly, angle NRO is equal to 30 degree, and sum of these two angles is the angle MRN. Therefore, answer of third, angle MRN is equal to angle MRO plus angle NRO is equal to 30 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 60 degree. This is the answer of third question. म्हणजे हा इथला जो अँगल हा 30चा आहे, खालचाही 30चा येईल त्याच पद्धतीने. तर पूर्ण अँगल MRN किती जाईल? 30 + 30 60 डिग्रीचा. आता आपण क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 बघूया. सेगमेंट RM and segment RN are tangent segments of a circle with center O. Prove that segment OR bisect angle MRN as well as angle MON. हा जो सेगमेंट OR आहे मधला, तो अँगल MON आणि MRN या दोघा अँगलचा काय दाखवायचा आहे? बायसेक्टर. वी नो दॅट टँजंट, using tangent theorem, this angle and this angle, both angles are right angles. In these two triangles, this is the common side and these are the radii. That means these two triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test. Which triangles? In triangle OMR and triangle ONR, angle OMR is equal to 90 degree and angle ONR also 90 degree, because tangent theorem, tangent is perpendicular to radius at the point of contact. Therefore reason is tangent theorem. Segment OR congruent to segment OR. Region common side. Common side and segment OM congruent to segment ON. Both are radii. Of same circle. Therefore, triangle OMR congruent to triangle ONR. Which test? Hypotenuse side test. If two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles are also congruent, means angle. Therefore, angle MRO congruent to angle ENRO. Reason, corresponding angles of congruent triangles. These two angles are congruent. This NRO, that means segment OR is the bisector of whole angle. Which angle? MRN. Therefore, segment OR bisect angle MRN. Also, these two triangles are congruent, therefore these two angles also congruent. Which angles? MOR congruent to angle NOR. Same reason, corresponding angles of congruent triangles. And angle, these two angles are congruent, that means OR also bisector of angle MON. Therefore, segment OR bisect angle MON also. हे दोघं गोष्टी आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायच्या होत्या. दोन ट्रायंगल आपण कॉन्ग्रंट दाखवले हायपोटेन्यूस साईड टेस्टने, आणि हे दोन अँगल कॉन्ग्रंट म्हणजे हा सेगमेंट OR या अँगलचा काय आला? बायसेक्टर. तसं हे दोन अँगल कॉन्ग्रंट, त्याच्यामुळे हा रे याचा काय आला? अँगल MONचा काय आला? बायसेक्टर आला. अशा पद्धतीने थर्ड एक्झाम्पल. आता लास्ट एक्झाम्पल घेऊया. व्हॉट इज द डिस्टन्स बिटवीन टू पॅरलल टँजंट्स ऑफ अ सर्कल हॅव्हिंग रेडियस 4.5 centimeter and justify your answer. Suppose this is the circle with center O. These are two tangents. This is the first tangent and this is second tangent. Both are parallel to each other. Line L and line M are tangents which are parallel at points A and B. And suppose O is the center of the circle. Now, segment OA and segment OB are the radii of the circle. And tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact, means tangent L is perpendicular to radius OA and tangent M also perpendicular to radius OB. आता आन्सर कसं लिहिणार? लक्ष द्या. सपोज line L and line M are tangents to the circle with center O at points A and B. respectively such that both the tangents are parallel, such that line L parallel to line M. And suppose this is equation number 1. We know that a tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Now segment OA, this radius is perpendicular to tangent L, means line L. This is equation number 2, reason tangent theorem. Also, segment OB is the radius which is also perpendicular to tangent M, means line M. This is equation number 3, same reason, tangent theorem. Now from equation 1, 2 and 3, segment OA is perpendicular to line L, segment OB is perpendicular to line M, but these two lines are parallel. That means these two segments also parallel. Therefore segment OA parallel to segment OB. But in these two segments, point O is common, but point O is common for segment OA and segment OB. That means points AOB are collinear. Therefore points A, O and B are collinear. And there is a betweenness, which betweenness A dash O dash B. Now the distance between line L and M, means distance between these two tangents, is the AB. Therefore the distance between tangents L and M is equal to AB. AB is perpendicular to both lines, means the distance between these two lines is AB. AB means AO plus OB. AO and OB are radii, and radius is given. Radius is given 4.5 centimeter, means AO is 4.5, OB also 4.5. The sum is 9 centimeter, means the distance between these two parallel tangents is 9 centimeter. This is the answer of question number 4. Here end of the exercise number 3.1. Thank you.